This mistake is ruining your ribeye steaks, and I used to make it too. But today I'm showing you the reverse sear method on my Traeger Pro 575 that'll give you steakhouse perfection every single time. Hey BBQ family, welcome back to Terrace BBQ Trials. Today we're creating the ultimate ribeye experience using my Traeger Pro 575 with the reverse sear method. This technique will give you that perfect edge-to-edge medium rare with an incredible crust that'll make your neighbors jealous. Let's fire it up. First things first, we're setting up our Traeger Pro 575 for indirect cooking at 120 degrees Celsius, or for American fries 248 degrees Fahrenheit. This low and slow approach is the secret to the reverse sear method that'll change your steak game forever. While the grill preheats, let's prep our beautiful ribeye. Look at that marbling. This is going to be absolutely incredible, folks. Step 1. Pat the meat completely dry with paper towels. This is crucial for getting that perfect sear later. Don't skip this step. Now just 2 drops of Worcestershire sauce. We don't want to overpower that beautiful beef flavor, just enhance it. Simple seasoning, our classic salt and pepper mixture. Sometimes the classics are all you need to create magic. Onto the grill it goes. We're cooking indirect at 120 degrees, and I'll be monitoring the internal temperature like a hawk. Probe goes into the thickest part. We're targeting that sweet spot of 48 to 50 degrees Celsius or 118 to 122 degrees Fahrenheit internal temperature. This reverse sear method gives us incredible control over our cook. Look how evenly it's heating through. This is BBQ perfection in action. Perfect. We've hit 48 degrees. Time to remove it from the heat. Patience pays off, BBQ family. Now comes the crucial 5-minute rest. This allows those delicious juices to redistribute throughout the meat. Trust the process. Quick sear on both sides for that incredible crust that'll make this ribeye legendary. Look at that perfect medium rare from edge to edge. That's the power of reverse searing, BBQ family, pure perfection. Time for the moment of truth. Oh wow, absolutely incredible. Tender, juicy, with that perfect crust. The Worcestershire adds just a hint of umami that elevates the beef flavor to the next level. That's how you create ribeye perfection on the Traeger Pro 575. Drop a comment below with your favorite steak cooking method. I read every single one and they inspire my next recipes. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more BBQ adventures. Until next time, keep that fire burning and those flavors coming.